name is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to adjust your layers in Photoshop. So I've drawn out a picture here that's going to just help me explain how to adjust your layers so that you can make things where you want them to be in Photoshop. So as you can see, I've drawn this star shape that is below all the rest of these shapes, and I don't want that. I want it to be right in the middle. So all you really have to do is go over your layer, hold it, like click it, and just drag it up all the way to wherever you want it to be. So that way it now has appeared on top as opposed to on the bottom. And so that's how you move your layers, and it doesn't really have a specific way to do it. You just drag it and drop it, and you'll know where it's going to be when, as you can see, when I move it, there's a little line that shows up right below the layer that I'm going to drop it. So that's how you'll know where it's going to be. And there's my image. My name is Alex, and this is how you adjust layers in Photoshop. Thank you.